Rehearsals this week were terrible. I just couldn't get the hang of the routine at all. We could be eliminated on Saturday.
And 5-6 spin and a twist! Team, concentrate!
My wing was still hurting from last week's fall. Nothing was going right. I just was way off the pace.
I don't want to hear no excuses, Tim. You either want it or you don't. Now pick your game up.
After the morning's rehearsal, I just needed to take a break and try and get my head together. I think our biggest competition is from Jenny and Simon. They're gonna nail the river dance. I mean, they can practically walk on water as it is. As for Justin and Tina's performance last week, what was he thinking? His ego's out of control. Right now, we're all just rallying around Tina and supporting her the best we can. She didn't deserve that. We've come so far in this competition, and we've got one chance left to get it right. I really don't want to fly home this week.